Hello mga ka-reels! Wala lang guys, nag-enjoy lang talaga ako sa slow-mo effect ng tubig sa paa ko. Ang sarap pala talaga i-enjoy ang nature. So serene and fresh ng ambience. Anyways, it's been a while since the last time I posted a reel with voiceover. And this is already a long overdue post. So this is a compilation of videos that were taken last May 28th this year. So we went to Chainlake, we did paddleboard and kayak. Since it was my first time doing paddleboard, I was really excited. I really enjoyed my time. Nakatayo pa nga ako guys sa paddleboard like a real pro. Trial lang ha. However, sad to say, kahit anong ingat mo, may time talaga sa life mo na kung kailan nag-enjoy ka na, saka naman mangyayari ang di inaasahan. Yun na nga, nung pabalik na ako from the other side of the lake, I lost my balance and fell when I tried to stand up just to look the same with the person in the paddleboard's packaging. Ang hirap pala talaga guys, mag-balance parang life lang. Pero what's important is, it's okay to fall but make sure to stand up again and move forward like nothing happened. Yun lang guys, thank you, see you.